All right, well here today we're going to be installing one of our new radiator setups on our 68 Chevelle, putting their aluminum radiator in there. You know, they flow a lot better than the brass copper ones did back in the day. We're upgrading, to a 3-core instead of the 2-core that's in there. Also a much better, dual fan setup than what we had. Drain the radiator, slide it out, slide the new one in. It's fairly simple to do.
A variety of tools can be used to complete this install. This is what we used and what we recommend. It's never a bad idea to protect your fenders. Insert a large drain pan underneath your radiator.
We're just going to open the petcock down here and start draining our fluid out. And you will want to remove your radiator cap over here. It'll help the flow and speed the process up. Just wait until your car's cool. Okay, while that's sitting there draining, we're going to start taking off, our top cover that holds the radiator in place. Pull that thing right off, and that's the only thing basically holding your radiator in place. Now it's just going to flop around on you.
We're cutting the zip ties that are securing a non-factory transcooler to our radiator.
Got our transcooler removed. I'm just going to tuck it back over here out of the way for now.
We're also removing our electric fan, which is secured by button head cable ties. Once our ties are removed, the fan comes right out.
I'm using, you can use a flathead screwdriver on there, 5/16 nut driver. Makes it a little easier. Close this off and then slide my bucket over on this side to the lower radiator hose. This is where, it can get a little messy on you because the block is still gonna have water in it.
Now you can pull your old radiator out.
Well, basically what I'm doing is the cutout that's in the shroud, I'm just lining up the inner edge of the outer portion of the fan in that cutout and making sure, we've got 2 flat spots on both sides here, that these two look squared up together, and that, inside here, I'm lined up with the cutout. And then I'm just taking my Sharpie in there and marking those holes. So I've got my holes marked. I'm just gonna use my step bit to poke our holes in here.
There are many ways to secure your fans to the shroud. We're choosing the RIVET. If you use nuts and bolts, make sure they don't stick out too far to hit the core or the fans. Now attach your shroud to the core. Insert your new radiator, fans, and shroud. Reinsert your support bracket and tighten the 4 bolts. Reattach your hoses and tighten them.
This is a kit that we offer. It basically comes with everything you need. With the 1 relay, you can run 2 fans off of it. So it has that. It has your fuse setup. If you're running 2 fans, you want to run at least a 40 amp fuse.
We're going to run our wires through existing holes in the firewall and mounting the relay with an existing screw.
Your yellow one here goes to your battery for a constant hot. The gray is going to go to that the sending unit for your temperature control, and the red will go to your fans. The orange, you could run it out there, but this is a key hot. Your quickest place to find a key hot is from the ignition. But if you hook it up wrong, and then you'll fire your car up, you'll run it, your electric fans will come on, and then when you turn it off, your car starts dieseling. What's happening is when those fans are still turning, even when power kicks off, it's still generating a little bit of energy that's backfeeding into the system. So very important that you find a source, that's not connected to that, so you don't end up with these problems.
We'll be adding our split loop later to clean up our wiring install and using existing loom where we can. Send your yellow cable to the battery with supplied adapters.
Included in the kit is this inline fuse. You're going to install this in between the battery with the yellow wire. So one end's going to go to the yellow wire, the other end's going to go to your battery. 40 amp fuse for dual fans, 30 amp fuse for single fans.
Install your 40 amp fuse for dual fans between the battery and the relay on the yellow cable.
These are the pigtails that come with the kit. Basically with the supplied butt connectors. One goes to red, the ring terminal is going to go to black. That's your ground. That'll just be grounded to the frame or wherever you find whatever's the best area for you to mount it in. And then this end right here, once you got it wired up, it just plugs right into your fan and you're good to go at that point. Just put a little thread tape around there.
Use a 3/8 Allen and make space for your sending unit.
Basically you just tighten it down, until it snugs itself up on there. You don't necessarily have to get it super duper tight with water, the pipe fittings. They kind of taper themselves and get a little bigger, as you get up, and that's how they create their seal. It's 3/4 wrench for the sending unit itself. And there's a little nut and lock washer. Just go ahead and tighten that down just a little bit, but the nut's a 7mm. Okay, and when you're doing the removal on this, when you remove your original transcooler lines, Also have a drain bucket down there because as soon as you open it up, you've got one hole higher, the other one down below. It's just going to gravity feed out and make a mess. You got your transcooler lines. It's a hard line that comes up and goes into the transmission. Everything's the same thread, and you hook them up that way. With our situation here, we have this aftermarket external transcooler. We're still going to run. I've just got to change it around a little bit, make the lines longer so I can run it to the front. If you are running a separate transcooler, there's no need in capping these lines or anything. No water's going to come out when you fill your radiator up. It's a sealed, closed system. All right, you guys, well, that wraps up our install there. The only thing left to do would be to add your coolant to it. Double check and make sure, fire the car up, get it a top rating temperature, make sure your fans kick on, and that everything's working properly before you take it for a night out on the town. So I really hope this helps you guys with the installation of yours, and that it solves any overheating problems that you might have. But thanks for watching. I think we need to do that again.
Thank you for shopping with POL at performanceonline.com. Subscribe to our channel for more how-tos, featured customer rides, event coverage, and more. That's POL at performanceonline.com.